food. Hey there, professional networkers. Did you know that while you're busy polishing your LinkedIn profiles to look like the next CEO, LinkedIn has secretly been using your data to train AI? Don't panic just yet. Stick around and I'll show you how to stop LinkedIn from turning your data into AI brain food. Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this channel is all about educational tools, tips, and technology. So if you don't want to miss out on all the fun, please make sure you subscribe. LinkedIn just updated their privacy policy to make things crystal clear, or maybe as clear as a 50-page legal document can be. They've added some juicy verbiage saying that they may use your personal data to improve, develop, provide products and services, develop and train artificial intelligent models. Well, translating, they're going to use everything that you put on LinkedIn to help create a smarter AI. Now, here's a plot twist. They've been doing this all along. And the settings that allowed them to use your data, it's been on by default. Now, you might be thinking, what data are you talking about? Oh, just almost everything. Your articles, connections, imported contacts, messages, invitations, profiles, recommendations, and registrations. Technically, they know everything except your Netflix password. So how do you stop LinkedIn from using your data? All you have to do is click on this little me icon here, scroll all the way down to settings and privacy. Once you're here, click on data privacy. And once you're in data privacy, click on the data generative AI improvement and make sure you turn this bad boy off. And just like that, you've told LinkedIn, no thank you, my data is mine. Just a quick heads up, this does not affect any training that has already happened. But if you're curious about what LinkedIn knows about you, maybe you're hoping they've recognized your true potential as a future CEO, well, you can actually request a copy of all your data, and here's how you do it. Click on data privacy again, click on get a copy of your data, and then make sure you check everything that you want to know what LinkedIn knows about you. So the moral of the story is, in the digital age, your data is more valuable than gold. So go forth and tweak those settings, or maybe not. No judgment here. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, make sure you click that like button, subscribe for more content, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. And like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself